Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the door handle screw on your oven. The reason why you might have to do this is because it's lost, damaged, or broken. For this repair, all you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the oven we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Frigidaire, and keep in mind ours might look a little bit different than what you've got at home, but the same technique should still apply. So you can see on our stove here, we've got our hanging door handle, which is not good. We've got a missing screw in there. So what we're going to do is we're going to carefully open up our door here. And you can see over here, we've got a screw on this side, but no screw over here. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement screw, and if you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So before you put your screw in, what you also want to do is get a washer, and we happen to find our washer here, but we also sell those if you don't have one. So once we got our washer in place, we'll put our screw down, and we'll get our door handle and line up the hole. Give that a couple turns. And then we'll use our Phillips head screwdriver to tighten it the rest of the way. And once you've got it tightened all the way, you can close up the door and your repair is complete. My friend's bakery burned down last night. Now, his business is toast. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.